You want to wear sunscreen under your makeup, but every time you do, your makeup looks bad. It doesn't set right, it's patchy, it starts pilling. Am I right? If you said yes, this video is for you. You don't need a new sunscreen, usually. What you need is to figure out how to layer it. I'm going to make this really simple for you today. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we haven't met yet, I'm 58. I have very oily skin at 58. So I know a thing or two about makeup looking worse once you apply sunscreen. I hope you'll come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. But today we're going to put some makeup on and I'm going to show you how your makeup can actually look better later on in the day when you're layering sunscreen. And be sure to stick around till the end because I have a great way for you to add sunscreen over your makeup later on in the day. The first problem that I see when talking to women about layering their skincare with their SPF, with their makeup, is you need to simplify your skincare when it comes to layering under SPF. For me, that means with oily skin, I need about half as much skincare in June under makeup as I do in November. My first tip is really look at your skincare. Make sure that you're using skincare and you're nourishing your skin. But if you're having problems layering everything, find out what is the most important thing, and you may have to skip a few other steps. The second big mistake that I see is not letting your skincare and your SPF really have time to set up and dry down. Sunscreens tend to be a little bit thicker. We can't apply that and then boom, go right in with makeup. We need to give it time to set up. That will make a huge difference, especially if you're finding that it's pilling, that it's coming off and separating. Give it several minutes to really dry down. This is where I'm about to make your life so simple. Instead of applying your skincare and then going in with a regular sunscreen and expecting your makeup to just behave and get along with it, here's what I want you to look for. I want you to look for a hydrating tinted sunscreen. This one is from Bloom Effects. I will leave it down in the description. This is hydrating. It is mineral sunscreen, SPF 50. It's nourishing to my skin and it's waterproof. You can see that this looks a little bit like foundation, but just a little runnier. So this is going to give you just a little coverage. I mean, barely. So maybe you don't like a lot of coverage. This may be perfect for you, especially on those no makeup days. Maybe you're just running around town. You're working out in the yard. This is beautiful on the skin. Just a little bit of tint. But again, so hydrating. It's a little bit thicker. It does feel a little like sunscreen, so you're going to notice the difference. But this is beautiful, super hydrating, and like I said, SPF 50. So if you wanted to go in with just this, absolutely perfect. You could do that. But if you want to apply foundation over this, you have a beautiful base. This could actually almost be your skincare and your SPF all in one if you wanted to. Definitely play around with the formula and how it works out for you. So this is a little bit thicker, only takes a minute or two to dry down, not near as much as sunscreen, but definitely give it a couple of minutes to really set up. But I think that you'll love this and it will make your life so much easier. Before you comment below that I didn't apply enough, hold on a minute. If you want to apply more, you absolutely can. But remember, we're talking about applying sunscreen in conjunction with makeup. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a foundation that also has SPF. And what you want to look for if you are applying this over sunscreen, look for a formula that's a little bit more flexible, something like a skin tint that's not going to be super heavy and is going to go over this beautifully. I love this one from Versed. This is a multi-serum, so think very nourishing for your skin. It's a skin tint, so it's not as heavy and thick as foundation, and it's an SPF of 40. You notice I added the foundation to the back of my hand. I have a makeup brush and I'm working the foundation into the brush. Very, very important. Again, if one of the issues that you've had is that your makeup doesn't sit well over your foundation, it pills, it separates, I want you to apply your makeup with a brush. Add it to the back of your hand, work it into the brush, and then stipple the foundation onto your skin. Two of the biggest things that will ruin your makeup when you're layering foundation over sunscreen. Number one is not letting it set up properly. The second thing is we apply skincare with our hands, SPF with our hands. Then when you apply foundation with your hands, all you're doing is moving everything around. Guaranteed that it's going to be patchy. It's not going to sit right. It's going to be thicker than what you normally want it to be, especially in certain areas. By stippling the foundation on, skincare is left exactly where I want it. My sunscreen is left exactly where I want it. And then the foundation is strategically placed on top of it. I guarantee you this foundation will be on all day long. Your makeup is on and you're out and about and you want to touch up your sunscreen. There hasn't been a great way to do it up to this point. I have a brand I want you to check out and it's called Naked Sundays. They make so many terrific products that contain sunscreen. I love this brand so much. This is a hydrating glow mist. Hydrating. And SPF 50, so many great ingredients in here, including hyaluronic acid. You're gonna love this, especially if you're drier than I am. And again, I will link everything that I'm using down in the description. All you're going to do, just mist your face and it's on. Let me know down in the comments if layering your sunscreen in the past has been a problem and if these tips were helpful. And if you want beautiful makeup that protects your skin and you want it to be sweat proof, layer the tips that I gave you today with this video here. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.